Hi, I'm Tim Gipson, and I'm going to demonstrate how to drill through stainless steel. Now, whenever we're drilling any kind of a metal, usually the best thing to use for marking where you want to drill your position is use some kind of a marker like a Sharpie. And so once we locate our spot, we just draw it on there. Now the next thing we're going to do to make sure we drill in the right place is we're going to use a center punch. And the center punch you place over the spot where you want to do, and you give it a firm tap with a hammer. And what that'll do is it'll put an indent into your metal where you want to drill your hole. And what that allows it to do is allows the drill bit to center on that easier. Now, to make sure that we can achieve a good cut, we've got to keep the friction down between the drill bit and the material. So you can use any kind of a lightweight household oil. And what you want to do is you want to put a little bit on the bit and a little bit on the material. And you want to start out kind of slowly until you know you've got it started well. And then you can increase your speed. And of course you can see I've got a piece of scrap material, scrap wood underneath this. And when you're taking some pretty fine shavings like that, then you know you're at a pretty good speed and you know you're drilling a good hole. Now, whenever you wipe away your shavings, you want to make sure you use a cloth or a rag or something because it can very easily, they'll be very sharp and you can very easily cut yourself on that. So as you can see, we got a very good cut through that material using that. So again, you want to make sure that you use a center punch to start your hole. You want to use a lightweight oil to keep your friction down, and you shouldn't have any trouble drilling any kind of metal, and particularly stainless steel. So I'm Tim Gipson, and that's how to drill through stainless steel.